Hi everyone, myself Arun Raja, working here in the Aeronautical Engineering Department for the past 7 years. This small video, we are going to draw a cam profile of a knife edge follower in simple harmonic motion. The given data for the particular problem is minimum radius of cam 5 centimeter, outstroke 120 degree with simple harmonic motion, outstroke dwell 60 degree, that is the stroke followed by dwell, then return stroke 120 degree with simple harmonic motion. The dwell for the remaining period of the cam rotation, that given is that the total 360 degree is splitted into 120 degree of outstroke, 60 degree of dwell, and a return stroke of 120 degree. The dwell is for the remaining period of the cam rotation. Stroke of the follower is 6 centimeter. That is the given data. That is the maximum strength or the follower having a motion. Write down the given data as theta O as 120 degree, theta OD, that is outstroke dwell 60 degree, return 120 degree, and return dwell that has to be taken from the total 360 degree. This total 360 degree minus the outstroke 120 plus dwell 60 and 120 degree of return. That remains the 60 degree of return dwell. The stroke of the follower is 6 centimeter. Then scaling. Scaling is more important here. If you are taking the scaling of the x and y axis with respect to the displacement diagram, for the axis of rotation it is taken as an x axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 degree, and for y axis the stroke of the follower will be taken, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter of the stroke length. Then the outstroke is taken as 120 degree, that is divided by 20 degree for taking the particular length as 6 centimeter. The outstroke dwell is 60 degree, that is 60 by 20, that is 3 centimeter, and the return stroke that is taken as 120 degree, again that is taken as 6 centimeter. So the total values are 6, 3 and 6, and the remaining dwell should be marked in the displacement diagram. We are going to draw a 18 centimeter line that should represent 360 degrees, and the 1 centimeter length of the stroke is taken as 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter y axis and 18 centimeter x axis has to be drawn. 18 centimeter line is drawn along the x axis direction and y axis of 6 centimeter. Better you can use the drafter to draw the x and y axis to maintain the minimize of that error. Then the 120 degree is divided into 6 equal parts, that is this 6 centimeter, each 1 centimeter line has to be drawn, and the outstroke dwell 60 degree. There is no need for partitioning this dwell condition, and the return stroke, this return stroke 120 degree is equally divided into 6 parts. After completing this 6 centimeter parts into 6 equal parts, we have to draw a semicircle at the stroke length for a simple harmonic motion. If in case of some other conditions, we need to draw different ways. For drawing a semicircle, we need to have a center. The total value of the strength of stroke of the follower is divided by 2, and a line has to be marked. Most of the time it should be at the center of the stroke that we are already drawn. By taking that as a center, we have to draw a semicircle, and as same as this outstroke and return stroke partitions, we need to partition this 180 into equal 6 parts. So 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Again the last part is 180. So 30 degrees of 180 is partition, and these values are going to be marked as the values of 180 degrees. So the value of 1 should be taken from the particular line of the semicircle to the part we have partition. 2 for 2 and 3 as the center, that is 90-degree line, that has to be taken at the 3. This point has to be connected in all aspects. Then 4 to 4, 5 to 5. After connecting these points, we have get a particular smooth linear transition of the stroke length along the 0 to maximum condition. The follower is moving from 0 to 6 centimeter in a simple harmonic motion through this way. Then from 6 centimeter to the next 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter. The value of this is going to be the dwell, and this 9 centimeter to 15 centimeter. The same value is repeating here, so we can take the equal values from here onwards. Here the values are taken as vice versa, and the maximum point to minimum point values has to be taken. Here the 6 point is taken here. For 7 we need to connect the 5th line, and for 8 we have to go with the 4th, and for 9th we have to take the center, and the 10th has to be taken with respect to the second line, and the 11th value we have to connect with the first one. So the follower is moving from the maximum point to the rest condition or the return condition with 120-degree rotation with this point of contact with the cam, and the remaining 3 centimeter will be taken as return dwell that need not to be marked here itself. So the maximum line for us here is 15. Then we are going to draw the cam profile. For drawing the cam profile, we need the base circle radius. The question given as the base circle radius is 5 centimeter. So draw the cam circle radius as 5. Better we can split those into quadrants and mark the axis of the cam, because the axis of the cam carries the follower, and mark those points 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree that should be represented in the displacement diagram. These the other side of the protector might be used if you are not having the pro circle. The total 360 degree has to be marked from this point. The dwell is need not to be marked, and the return stroke of 120 degree with 6 equal parts has to be marked. The lines represents 6 to 12. The knife edge follower has to be drawn at the point 0, and it should starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 12. From 0 to 6 it has a outstroke. From 6 to 12 it has a return stroke. From 6 to 6 this point there should be a dwell after the rise. From the point 1 the follower is moving a distance of 1a. The 20 degree of rotation, it is having a movable distance from 1 to a. For writing that 1a, we need to measure the value of 1a from the displacement diagram. It might given the taken value is around 0.5 centimeter. So mark this value from the cam circle above the cam circle radius. Then for 2b, the same value should be taken from that point 2 to b. Then the value is marked from the displacement diagram to the cam profile. It should be around 1.5 centimeter. Then at the center, it is having a 3C value. It should be around 3 centimeter because we are having a 6 centimeter stroke length. So the value at the center of the 6 equal parts is going to be 3 centimeter, 3C. Then similarly 4D and 5E, finally 6F. The 6F is going to be 6 centimeter. That is the maximum stroke length for that follower. If you are completing this A to F, 1A to 6F, that should represent the outstroke of the cam profile. Then for the return stroke, the similar values is repeated in a reverse cycle. Either you can start from 12 or else you can start from 6. The points are going to be connected, then the complete cam profile is going to be completed. Here we are not need of any compass to connect all these points from A to F. You just need a pencil. You will go with the simple diagram or simple arcs that has to be drawn from 0 to 12. There is no need for compass. I repeat it again. So you just draw with your own hand in freestyle itself. Connect those points like a spline, and that should complete the cam profile of the given machine. Thank you. Thank you for everyone watching.